Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made these DIY decor frames. So let's go right ahead and get into what I used. It was so simple. Okay guys, so real quick I'm just going to show you what I used to put these frames together. So all these frames are from Dollar Tree. I have two of the 3.5 by 5 frames here, and I have two of the 4 by 4 frames, and I believe these are the 8 by 10 frames. So here are some of the materials I'm going to use. So I have two paper pads here. This one is from Walmart. I believe this was about $6. For this one is 50 sheets. They're 12 by 12. And this is the theme conservatory, so it's a lot of florals. There's some neutrals in here. Beautiful, beautiful paper. And here's all the ones that you get, and it is double-sided. And then this next paper pack is, I got this one from Michael's. This one was actually $10. You get 48 sheets, and it is the cozy neutrals theme. So I really love this one. Here's just a sneak peek of some of the papers that you get with it. So it's a really, and here's some samples of what you get. So some of the other materials that I'm going to be just pulling from and working with. So here are just some wooden letters. Most of these are from Dollar Tree, and then these right here, which I'm probably going to use these are from Target, Dollar Spot. I got these a while ago. But yeah, and then I also have these word signs, which I don't know if I'm going to use these, but these are from Dollar Tree. These right here from Target. The leaves are from Target. The pumpkins are from Target. Again, I got like these Target ones a couple years ago. And even these leaves are from Target. So I'm just going to be working with these wood words and pieces, along with the scrapbook paper pads. And of course I'm gonna have my scissors and a hot glue gun. I just don't have it right here right now, but that's all I'm gonna need along with the frame. So let's get right into it. All right, so these are the papers that I selected. I'm going, I guess, with like stripes, black and white stripes, and then I picked these two wood signs and then these two wood pumpkins. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I come up with.